Hello and welcome to The Foodie. The Foodie is in Mumbai and I'm taking you to some of my favorite places in this city. Yes, a place where I've eaten since I was in college. Another one which is bang on the street. And the third one which panders to my sweet tooth. So come along as we discover some parts of Mumbai that are maybe iconic but very, very important to me. Come along. Okay. While you discover Mumbai, you also realize that Mumbai has so many restaurants. You've got Mughlai restaurants, you've got Punjabi restaurants, you've got South Indian restaurants, you've got Chinese restaurants, but very few authentic Maharashtrian restaurants. So, I've come to pretty much the center, the heart of Maharashtrian land in Mumbai, which is called Dadar Shivaji Park. And here I'm going to go to a place called Aswad. Aswad serves up delicious, pure vegetarian, Brahmin Maharashtrian food, and that's where I am. Let's see what they have. Come. Okay, Poda Usal. Poda Usal sounds nice. Masala dosa? No. Patata vada? Yes. Sabudana khichdi? Maybe. Thali peeth? Definitely. And let's see what else there is inside. Come, let's go. I'm going in. Yeah, namaskar. Yeah. Namaskar. Okay, with me is the manager of Aswad, Dattatreya Sahasrabuddhe. And namaskar, sir.
Namaskar.
Whenever we come here, this place is always packed.
Because of our good quality of food.
This place is famous not only popular, not only amongst the Maharashtrians, but also amongst everybody.
So this is the taste of the food.
So Aswad has been around for how many years now?
We have just completed 25 years.
25 years. But 25 years ago, when Aswad first started, the menu was very Maharashtrian food. Was there anything else?
Only. That time only misal pav and that batata vada.
Batata vada, misal pav, sabudana vada, khichdi. You tell me what I should eat today.
You should take this poda usal. That is our specialty.
And
you will
what?
enjoy.
Some 2-3 things I know.
Our misal is there.
Okay.
That other one. Potato vada you can taste.
Batata vada is what's that? That is like a staple Maharashtra. So let's have some sabudana vada, some khichdi, some thali peeth maybe.
Yeah, sure.
And a couple of other good, wholesome Maharashtrian dishes.
Sure.
Let's go. Okay, so here we are. All the food is arrived.
Yeah.
Let's start from this end. We've got the sabudana khichdi over here, the famous banana vada, thali peeth, and this is poda and usal, and this is panna.
Kacha curry.
Kacha curry ka is made out of raw mango. It's delicious. It's made out of raw mango with a lot of kesar and ilaichi and all in it. No?
A little bit sugar.
A little sugar in it. And you can see they've got real kesar in it. So I'm going to start with the poda usal. Yeah. And this is like
Make out of rice powder.
made out of rice flour.
Yeah.
Okay? So this is like a dosa made out of rice flour.
Yeah.
And with a bit of sweet coconut milk.
Smell fantastic. It will be very nice taste.
It is fantastic. You have to look at the usal. This is made out of black peas, an ingredient used very, very commonly in Maharashtrian cooking, especially in the Malwad area. No? Now to move to the thali peeth, which comes with a dollop of butter on it. 2-3 types of dals mixed
And
into a batter with a bit of onion in it.
onion.
And then
And deep fry.
deep fried, yeah, with butter. This is delicious. Now, the banana vada. The key to this banana vada is the bhaji. The potatoes are inside.
Put the garlic nicely, then it will taste.
Good garlic. I can taste a lot of garlic in it. And now sabudana khichdi. What I like about the Aswad sabudana khichdi is that it's got a little bit of sweet in it. A little sweet it is, very nice it is. Yeah? Fantastic. This is a good beginning. This is a good beginning to eat nice Maharashtrian food and very homely food.
Homely, very homely, not spicy.
Yeah. It's literally like eating in a nice Maharashtrian Brahman's home.
Ah, you
know?
can say.
Is that right, no?
You can say it. Yeah.
That's right. Anyway, thank you so much.
Alright.
Pleasure.
Yeah.
And I will come again. No?
Yeah.
I will come again. I'm going to finish off all this and then head to our next joint. But I have some banana vada to eat before that. Okay, I'm in one of the smaller lanes in Colaba behind the iconic Taj Mahal Hotel. I've had enough of vegetarian food and I'm heading for probably one of the oldest restaurants in Mumbai. It will soon be 100 years old. I've eaten here often and it's called Baghdadi. Come along. Okay, sitting here is taking me back many years. जब हम कॉलेज में थे यहाँ आकर बैठकर बहुत सारा खाना खाया है मैंने. And let me introduce you to the man who's running the place just now, Irshad Alam Ansari साहब. कैसे हो?
थैंक यू साहब. यस अच्छे हैं सर. थैंक यू.
अच्छा, मैं तो यहाँ बहुत सालों से खा रहा हूँ, लेकिन मैंने कभी भी आपको पूछा नहीं कि ये जो बगदादी है कितना पुराना है.
अभी ये 100 इयर्स के एबव है.
एटलीस्ट 100 साल.
यस यस यस.
और 100 साल पुराने तो कुछ इतने ज़्यादा रेस्टोरेंट है ही नहीं बचे मुंबई में. यही.
हाँ यस यस. क्योंकि ये खानदानी रेस्टोरेंट है ना.
हाँ.
ये नहीं है कि उसने बेचा उसने बेचा, ऐसा है नहीं.
हाँ.
ये खानदानी रेस्टोरेंट है.
अच्छा.
की वजह से ये कंटिन्यू चल रहा है.
और चल रहा है. यहाँ जो डिशेस मिलते हैं वो हर जगह मिलते नहीं.
नहीं नहीं. रोटी हो गया, ये आपको तो ऑल बॉम्बे में रोटी कहीं भी नहीं मिलेगा.
ये
आपको रेस्टोरेंट में घूमते होंगे. करेक्ट. ये रोटी आपको कहीं भी नहीं मिलेगा.
और लेकिन ये जो खाने का जो स्टाइल है, ये जो डिशेस का स्टाइल है, वो कैसे है? क्या मुगलाई है?
मुगलाई स्टाइल है. परफेक्ट
मुगलाई.
पूरा मुगलाई.
पूरा मुगलाई स्टाइल है.
बहुत एक्टर्स भी आते हैं हमारे पास. जॉन अब्राहम हो गए, हमारे रेगुलर कस्टमर है. हुसैन साहब थे, तो रेगुलर मॉर्निंग में पाया रोटी खाते थे हमारे.
अच्छा, यहाँ
रेगुलर.
लेकिन आप चिकन सर्व करते हो, मटन भी, बीफ भी, तो ज़्यादा क्या चलता है? ज़्यादा
ज़्यादा रेस्टोरेंट मेरा चिकन
चलता है.
मेरा जो बिजनेस डिपेंड है चिकन पे.
अच्छा. और आपका जो एक आइकॉनिक डिश है, फ्राइड चिकन का जो डिश है,
जी
वही सबसे ज़्यादा बिल्कुल. तो पहले थोड़ा मंगाते हैं.
ओके सर. ओके नो.
और फिर और बातें करते हैं.
ओके सर. ओके.
अच्छा, खाना बताओ यार. तो ये है आपका आइकॉनिक फ्राइड चिकन.
हाँ यस.
जो हर टेबल पे रहता है.
जी.
हाँ?
बिल्कुल.
बहुत अच्छा है.
थैंक यू.
लेकिन इसका टेस्ट बदला नहीं है.
बताएं. थैंक यू.
जैसे था वैसा ही है. Fantastic. It's nice and crisp on the outside, soft on the inside, not very spicy, medium spicy, delicious actually. Okay, अभी चलो. और ये रोटी मैं अभी भेजा के साथ टेस्ट करूँगा.
हाँ
है. It's a wonderful preparation of bheja. It's got a certain amount of sourness to it, a nice amount of haldi in it.
Yes.
Predominant taste haldi और हरे मसाले का थोड़ा इसमें स्वाद है. Very nice. अभी क्या खाऊं मैं?
मटन भुना ट्राई कीजिए आप.
Oh, this mutton is soft.
Yes.
It's soft. Oh, very nice. I'm getting this taste of fried onions in it.
Ah, yes.
I think the gravy is made out of fried onions. And there's a complete different masala. Unlike a lot of places where you get the same gravy in every dish, you know. Okay, now I'm going to have a little bit of the biryani because I can't finish all of this. But this is the thing about Baghdadi. All
yes.
the pieces are big.
Yes.
There is nothing like a small piece. Look at this piece of chicken. It's a huge leg. Hey Bhagwan. The masala is nice.
This fry biryani is not dum biryani.
Fry biryani. फर्क होता है ना?
Chicken fry biryani is फर्क.
बहुत खुशी है.
Okay, thank you sir.
बहुत खुशी होगी. I'm so happy I've come here because these are tastes from my younger days. These are tastes that haven't changed, and these are pretty much tastes that are iconic. So I'm a happy man. What can I say?
Kunal bhai is happy. I'm also happy. Thank
I'm
you.
very happy.
Yes, yes, thank you.
So after this, what shall we do? We need some more. Come, let's go.